Based on data from Indonesia Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology, Kemendikbudristek 2023, over 10 million students in Indonesia still face learning barriers due to a lack of electricity, internet access, and limited school facilities, especially in rural and remote regions like Papua, Nusa Tenggara, and Kalimantan. Imagine a young student in East Nusa Tenggara who wants to study at night, but the lights go out before can't even open the book. They dream big, but darkness keeps holding her back. This is not fiction. This is a daily reality for thousands of children across our nations. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Rafli Hidayat Mulyana. I'm from Accounting Education 2024. I'm here to information speech about SDGs number 4, quality education. Education is the heartbeat of a nation's progress. It's what's transformation potential into possibility. Yet, for many Indonesian children, education remains a dream limited by the sun. Once it sets, so does their change to learn. If we want to achieve SDG 4 quality education, we must bring light, both literally and figuratively, into every corner of Indonesia. Because when we empower one children to learn, we empower an entire generation to rise. Latch ED, the solar-powered smart learning kit, an innovation designed to make education accessible, sustainable, and inclusive for all Indonesian children, no matter where they live. Latch ED stands for Latch plus Education. It's a learning companion powered by sunlight created to solve one of Indonesia's biggest educational challenges, the lack of electricity and digital access in remote areas. Next to the important point, first about the problem about unequal access to education. Indonesia has made great progress in expanding education, but inequality still exists. According to BPS, Statistik Indonesia 2022, students in remote regions have 13 into 14% less access to educational resource than those in urban cities. Limited electricity make it difficult for students to study after dark, while poor internet access prevents digital learning. As a result, thousands of children fall behind, not because they lack ability, but because they lack access. The second is about the solution. Like ED innovation is over a sustainability way to close that gap. Its portable solar-powered learning kit consisting of, first, a solar lamp that gives up to 10 hours of light for night study, next, a learning tablet provided with offline educational content aligned with the national curriculum. The third is a mini solar panel and power bank for clean, renewable charging, so students in rural areas can use it at home or school without depending on electricity, powered purely by the energy of the sun. And next, the last point is educational impact. Like ED support SDG 4 is about quality education by providing equal learning opportunities to rural and urban students alike. And next, enabling continuous learning despite lack of infrastructure. Next is promoting digital literacy with offline educational technology. And moreover, teachers in remote schools can use Light ED to prepare lessons, access materials, and guide students. So that's helping bridge the urban-rural education divide. So, about local empowerment, like ED also empowers local communities. The kits are the kits are designed to be assembled locally, creating small-scale employment and encouraging youth to participate in sustainable innovation. This aligns with Indonesia's vision for a green economy and inclusive education, learning that uplifts both people and the planet. Education should never depend on where you are born. Every child, whether in Jakarta, Papua, or Flores, deserves the same chance to learn, dream, and achieve. Latch ED is more than a solar device. It's a symbol of hope, proving that sustainable technology can illuminate the path to a better future by turning sunlight into a learning light. We turn obstacles into opportunities, as Indonesia first President Soekarno once said, "Give me 1,000 old men and I will move a mountain, but give me 10 young people and I will shake the world." Like ED is for those young people, the future leaders of Indonesia, whose mind should never be left in the dark. Together, let's make sure education shines for everyone. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.